Good morning to all my sisters out there. Thanks for tuning in to hashtag Give a Sister a Hug. This your girl, Author Erica. Happy Wednesday to all my sisters out there. I hope y'all doing good on this Wednesday morning. I'm doing good. I have a podcast show, so I'm up early on this Wednesday morning. So I wanted to stop by just to let my sisters know, all my sisters know that y'all are amazing. No matter what people say or what anybody tell you, you are amazing. You are amazing for just being you. And I just wanted to let you know that you are amazing on this Wednesday. So keep doing what you're doing and smiling, and just don't let nobody steal your joy. Don't let nobody come in and rip it all apart, because guess what? You are amazing. And I wanted you to know that on this Wednesday morning. So know that you're not alone. I'm here with you. We're going to get through these ups and downs together. And in the end, we all going to have a story to tell. And do something today to love yourself, love the people around you. Make sure we check on our elderly because they're important. And make sure we keep loving our enemies and haters just a little bit more, because they keep us motivated. So if nobody tell you today, you're awesome, you're beautiful, and you are enough, sister. So remember, you are amazing.